Hi everyone, so today we are going to discuss or to continue our topic about quarter 2 Melc 9, multiplying and dividing polynomials. So this is now learning activity sheet 9B. So the previous topic I have discussed to you was last 9A. Okay, so let's have first the background information for learners. So apart from the rules that you have learned in multiplying polynomials, here are other rules in multiplying polynomials that will help you perform the multiplication process. So letter A, to multiply a binomial by another binomial, simply distribute the first term of the first binomial to each term of the other binomial, then distribute the second term of the first binomial to each term of the other binomial, and simplify the results by combining similar terms. So this procedure is also known as the FOIL or FOIL method or SMILE method. So another way is the vertical way of multiplying, which is the conventional one. Okay, so kung nadumduman nyo pa ang previous topic nga multiplication of monomials. So, ang first nga ginahimo natin, di ba? We just simply distribute the terms na ara sa gwa sang parenthesis sa tanan nga term sa sulod sang parenthesis. So, amo na siyang ginahimo ta. So, ang first nga himuon ang mo man na i-distribute naman ang first term sang first nga binomial sa first term sang second nga binomial. And then, amo naman ang isa, i-distribute naman, balik-balik lang na. So, para mas maintindihan nyo, much better kung makita nyo gid ang example. So, ang FOIL naman, later on, I will give you the example as well, kag pati ang conventional nga pag-multiply. Ina balang using the long method, padalom siya bala. So, for sure, you are familiar of that. Okay, so, let's have the example. So, we have the quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of x plus 7. So, we are now multiplying two binomials. So, let's have the distributive property. Or, sorry, not property ha. Let me rephrase it. Distributive method. So, sa distributive method, so we have here, amo ni siyang first di o kagina sa example, sa aton nga letter A, ariyo, distributive ni siyang to multiply binomial by another binomial. So, amo ni siya ang process. Okay. So, here, so that is, as you can see, ang first nga term sang binomial, ang first nga term sang una nga binomial, ari siya, this is the first binomial. Ang una nga term is x. So, ang x, i-distribute ta sa kada term sang second binomial na x plus 7. So, that is x times x plus 7. Next naman, ang second term sang first binomial, i-distribute naman sa tanan nga term sa second binomial. And take note, since 2 is positive, kay plus na di, so ang aton nga operation sa ito nga is plus man. Hindi ko ni nagkuha sa 2 because 2 is positive. So, that's why plus tadi. So, plus 2 times the quantity of x plus 7. Now, so let's multiply isa-isa. So, we have x times x squared. So, if you can still remember, basta gani same literal coefficient, we just simply copy the literal coefficient and add exponent. So, 1 plus 1, 2. And then, multiply x times 7. Since we cannot combine 7 and x, ginatupad ta lang na granting nga ang 7 should be written first, or the numerical coefficient should be written first before sa literal. Okay? Ulihilan ng literal coefficient. Okay, next. So, muna siya, 7x. Then, we have positive 2 times x. So, amuman, we cannot combine this. So, itupad lang. Una ang numerical, then the literal. So, 2x. And then, since positive times positive, ang 2 kagang 7, so answer tayo is plus, or positive 2 times positive 7 is positive 14. Okay? So, now, hindi pa ni final answer because we still have terms nga kinahanglan naton i-combine. Amo ni siya ang 7x plus 2x. As you can see, or as you have observed, ang ilang literal coefficient parehas. So, meaning these are similar terms. So, we have to combine them by addition. So, we just copy x squared. Then, we add the second term, 7x plus 2x. Kay pareho sila sa literal coefficient, or they are similar, excuse me, they are similar terms. So, we add them. Nga, nag-add kita because they have same sign. So, ma-add kita. 7 plus 2, 9. Copy, common sign nga plus, and then copy plus 14. So, now the answer is x squared plus 9x plus 14. So, final answer na siya. So, this method is, we call it distributive. Okay? So, next. This time, FOIL method naman. So, ang FOIL method, abbreviation na sa SAM. Okay? So, sulat ko liwat ha, ang atong given example is x plus 2 times the quantity of x plus 7. Okay. So here, FOIL means first, outer, inner, and last. So meaning, amo na siya ang pasunod sang dapat mo i-multiply ng mga terms. So ari ang red, amo ni siyang ginatawag na naton yung first terms, x times x. Okay? So what is x times x? Later on, mabalaan nyo. So, amo na siya. Then, tapos sina, sa O naman kita, which is the outer term. So, ang outer term, amo ni sa ang sagwa, ang sa kilid. So, x kag 7. So, these are the outer terms. And, next sa O, kunding F first, the sun O is outer, I naman, that is inner. So, ang inner, ay sa tunga, 2 kag ang x, i-multiply ta na. So, inner na siya. Inner terms. And L is for last term. So, ang last term tao is 2 and 7. So, now, kung i-multiply ta ni, using the FOIL method, unahon ta ang first term, we get, okay, sorry siya. FOIL. First is x times x squared. O, outer, x times 7, 7x, I, 2 times x is 2x, and L or last term is 2 times 7 equals 14. So, therefore, since 7x and 2x are similar terms, so as you can see sa answer natin diri, 7x and 2x, they are similar terms because they have the same literal coefficient, so we have to combine them. So, 7x plus 2x is 9x. Thus, the answer is, x squared plus 9x plus 14, which is same man sa answer ta sa distributive method. So, iniya do mas shorter siya gawa. Okay? So, another, kung vertical naman, of course, this is conventional, very common, kay ginagamit agad niya kung mag-multiply kita sa mga whole numbers. Okay, so given x plus 2 times x plus 7. So we have to arrange it in column. And then we have to multiply first x times x squared. Then x times 2, positive 2x or plus 2x kay same sign sila. So positive 2x. Next, 7 times x is 7x. And then 7 times 2, positive 7 times positive 2 is positive 14. And then what do? We add. So, bring down x squared and add similar terms, 2x plus 7x is 9x and bring down 14x. So, that is now our answer. Okay? So, I hope you understand. Kag na-gets na tani, no? Okay. So, letter B. To multiply a polynomial by more than one term by a polynomial with 3 or more terms, simply distribute the first term of the first polynomial to each term of the other polynomial. Repeat the procedure for the remaining terms up to the last term and simplify the results by combining similar terms. Okay. So, example. So, iniya, ang sa letter B, do damo na. Hindi na yung binomial, binomial. So, polynomial na siya. Okay. So, here, we have binomial and trinomial. So, paano tani siya i-multiply ang the quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of x squared plus 3x minus 2. Okay. So, first, i-distribute ta ang first nga term sang binomial sa tanan nga term sang polynomial, which is x squared plus 3x minus 2. Then, balik ta di sa second term, ang plus 2. So, plus 2, i-multiply taman siya sa tanan nga term sa trinomial nga x squared plus 3x minus 2. Okay, so, to get the answer, diretso ko na lang. So, x times x squared, copy x, add exponent 1 plus 2, 3. So, therefore, nakuha tang x cubed. Okay, next, x times 3x. So, copy 3. Okay, wala man na di siya sang numerical, means ang coefficient niya na di is 1. So, 1 times 3 is 3. Then, copy variable x and add exponent 1 plus 1, 2. So, 3x squared. Next, x times negative 2. So, unlike sign, so it should be negative. So, we cannot combine 2 and x. So, una lang, itupad na lang. Una ang numerical coefficient, then followed by the literal. So, negative 2x. And then, diri naman, 2 times x squared. So, tupad na lang na. So, 2x squared. And then, 2 times 3x. So, plus, because they are same sign. Okay? So, they have the same sign, So, 2 times 3, 6. And then, copy x. Okay? Constant man yung 2. And then, last, positive 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Kaya, unlike sign sa. Now, anong himuon tadi? We have to combine similar terms. Ano ang mga parihas nga terms diri? X cubed wala pares. 3x squared, pares siya si 2x squared. So, we can combine them. And, negative 2x and 6x. Combine tama na siya. Negative 4, wala na kay constant. Siya mo lang isang constant. So, wala na isa. Okay. So, to simplify to arrange our answer, so, x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x squared minus 2x plus 6x minus 4. Okay. So, final answer, copy x cubed, then, same sign, add 3 plus 2, 5, copy literal coefficient, x squared, and here, negative 2 plus 6 cannot be, unlike sign, so masubtract kita, 4 minus 2, 4, copy the sign of the number with a greater absolute value, so positive or plus, and then copy variable x, then copy minus 4. So, answer is x cubed plus 5x squared plus 4x minus 4. Okay, so that is how you answer it. Okay, so next, here, multiplying polynomial by a polynomial. So, duwa ka trinomial. So, ari do, medyo lawig, no? Kung lang taon mo, do ka malibugin sa imong ulo. Pero, mas hapos ni sa tani class if you master lang ang laws of exponent bala. Okay, so sige lang. Explain ko lang gyapon na. So, we have the quantity of x squared plus 3x minus 4 times the quantity of 4x cubed plus 5x minus 1.